In a quiet corner of the enchanted forest, there lived a kind and brave girl named Fleur Delacour. She was known far and wide for her beautiful, shimmering hair that sparkled like the stars on a clear night. One sunny day, Fleur was playing near her home, gathering flowers to make a potion for her ailing friend. Suddenly, a tiny, scared owl hooted and fluttered down at her feet. "Oh, little one, what's wrong?" asked Fleur, picking up the owl gently. The owl chirped softly, revealing a tiny, sparkling message tied to its leg. Fleur unfolded the message and read, "Help! I'm stuck in a magical tree. Please save me." She recognized the writing as belonging to her friend, Hedwig. With a determined look on her face, Fleur followed the message's directions to the magical tree. She climbed up, her heart pounding with excitement. At the top, she found Hedwig trapped in a magical web spun by a wicked witch. Fleur bravely confronted the witch, who cackled and tried to stop her. But Fleur was not afraid. She remembered the wise words of her mother, "When faced with a challenge, always stand tall and use your wits." With a quick think, Fleur used the potion she had made earlier to dissolve the web. Hedwig was free. The witch vanished in a puff of smoke, teaching Fleur a valuable lesson: kindness and bravery can overcome even the wickedest of obstacles. Fleur returned home, exhausted but happy. She hugged Hedwig tightly and thanked her for the adventure. From that day on, Fleur Delacour was not only known for her beautiful hair but also her courage and kind heart. And so, the forest continued to be a magical place, filled with the stories of Fleur's bravery, spreading joy and inspiration to all who lived there. The end.